Scrappy Peeps! Suzanna here today to share with you an unboxing of the 12 by 12 Freckled Fawn paper kit. Obviously I'm on the design team, so I get the full thing, but you can customize it if you want. I've had a lot of you message me and ask me about these 12 by 12 papers. So let me go through the kit first, and then we will go through the papers, okay? So, as with every month, you're going to get if you get the full kit, you're going to get your alpha. So I love that green. It goes well with the kit. You will also get, I have to take these things out of the packaging because of the glare on from my lights. So I will move this out of the way. So that is the alpha. These are the chipboard pieces, and they always fall out of the carrier, which is just fine. But so there are the chipboard pieces that coordinate with the collection. So my life's a mess, but my plants are thriving. I love that quote. Just one more. That is perfect for my daughter and her ongoing succulent collection. Plant mama, crazy plant lady, I make things grow. Time to plant things, grow, 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 proud plant mom, a bunch of plants in circles, and then more plants. So you can see this is a plant themed collection this month. Well, the chipboard pieces are. And then you get these enamel dots. They are not shiny, they are a flat enamel. I like to pull all my stuff out of the packaging. It just makes it easier to get to. So those. And there was a note with the washi. So the manufacturer, the printer, made the sizes too small. So you get 4 sheets this month. And so you'll get 4 of the same sheets with that smaller pattern there. So you've got the grid, yellow dots, these pink pattern triangles, the succulents, stripes, a green grid of a different shape, and then these lovely daisies there. So you will get 4 of those. I kind of like the small patterns too. I think it works both ways. Then these are your labels. I love the bright colors this month. And so you always get one bigger label, and then your yellows, your pinks, a green, and then that sort of teal or aqua, depending on what you choose to call that color. You also have 3 of your wood veneers, and those are also plants, and these seem to be thicker than the usual wood veneers. And then you have your pocket cards. So as always, there are going to be, oh no, I should not say that. So noted, and then you have that on the back side. So that same chipboard piece, my life's a mess, but my plants are thriving, with that on the back side. Plant mama, with that on the back side. Butterflies that go with the pattern paper. These look a lot like the Maggie Holmes butterflies. And then I love that floral. Today is a great day, with that on the back side. The heart with the split on the back side. This is going to be tough because usually these come as doubles, and we don't have doubles. These are and they're double-sided, so you're going to have to choose one or the other. That's going to be tough for me. More plant and a fun, can you see how it's like a 2-tone grid? Yeah. And the grid with the circle in the middle. I love that rainbow, or that flare, sun rays. So the flowers that are consistent in the thing, and the heart that goes with that, and then more of the colors that are in the labels there with that. So that one is a double, but slightly different of the doubles. So those are the pocket cards. I might suggest, if you haven't ordered, possibly getting 2 of those. So then the papers. So you do get 2. So you've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So double-sided. So you've got these butterflies, and you can see how it has this sort of aging to it, which is cool. And then these dots. It is a thick paper, so let me get a piece of scratch paper. So here's a piece of scratch paper. So this is the weight of the scrap paper, right? And this, you can hear, is the weight of the 12 by 12 piece. So it's a nice, sturdy piece of paper. And so my concern was that a lot of the cards are pretty glossy. They have a finish to them. And I was worried that this print was going to be easily, if I stuck something down and I pulled it back up, that it would pull the adhesive up. So this is Thermoweb's removable tape. Okay, so just to give you an example, if I put that down with my adhesive and I pull it back up, it doesn't pull the pattern up, which I am very excited about. Here is a piece of, this is actually Freckled Fawn, I'm pretty sure. I didn't write inside it. I usually write inside. So Freckled Fawn washi. So I put that down and comes off nice and clean and doesn't pull the print font off of that. So that is super awesome. I have to tell you, I have not created with it yet, but I do really like the weight of that and the quality of that. So then I guess I'll just go this way. You've got this plaid, lovely mint green plaid that goes with the same greens in the butterflies. And then on the back side, you have that diagonal stripe there with pink. Pull that up a little closer. Then you've got these lovely daisies. And again, you can see sort of how it's tried to be aged a little bit. And then the B side is the yellow, same coordinating colors there. I love that. Slightly different green, so you can see the slightly different greens in those butterflies. And then you've got that floral on the back side there. So those are your 12 by 12 papers that go with the kit. If you have any other questions about the kit, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below, or subscribing, because remember, when you subscribe, you can get it's really build your own kit. And then stay tuned for my first layout that I will share with you. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.